Love the power. Akhtar Lawa. I know this one.
She saw the video. She's
Dil Pakistan. Jan Pakistan. Oh, of course, handsome like me.
She said they are very handsome like me. लेकिन मेरी वंगर वो भी बड़े खूबसूरत है कि नहीं. अच्छा दोस्तों, इस वक्त हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं मलेशिया से आए हुए कुछ फ्रेंड्स और ये बड़ी खूबसूरत सी लड़की हमारे साथ मौजूद है जिनका ताल्लुक मलेशिया के शहर कुआलालंपुर से है. ये पाकिस्तान में इस वक्त 5वीं बार आ चुकी हैं और इनसे बात करते हैं कि इनको पाकिस्तान कैसा लगा. हेलो, हाउ आर यू?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
आई एम गुड, थैंक यू सो मच.
क्या हाल है?
आपा खबर?
Apa kabar?
अच्छा, आपा खबर कहते हैं कि क्या हाल है, तो उन्होंने उर्दू में कहा, मैंने मलेशियन लैंग्वेज में कहा. अच्छा, डू यू लाइक पाकिस्तान?
Oh, of course I like. If I'm not like Pakistan, I'm not coming here.
डू यू लाइक द फूड ऑफ पाकिस्तान?
Of course I like. I like chapati,
रोटी.
paratha with aloo and spicy.
अच्छा ठीक है. व्हाट एल्स यू लाइक इन ड्रिंक?
Drink. Oh, normally I like tea without sugar, without milk. Because I'm not drinking milk.
हाउ यू थिंक अबाउट पाकिस्तानी पीपल?
Wow, very nice people. Very, very nice. And then at the same time, the children also, I saw the with blue eyes, brown eyes, you know, same like actor Bollywood, you know.
Do you know any Urdu word, Pakistani word speak like क्या हाल है?
ठीक है. Only this I know.
Okay, so do you know any song, Pakistani song or anything?
No.
Okay, see.
Because many people coming, ma'am, you eat this one, eat this. They're not asking me, ma'am, you listen this song. No.
Okay.
I just for food only.
There's a one very beautiful song. You just follow me, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Okay, ready.
Lahore da Pawa,
Love the power.
Akhtar Lawa.
Akhtar Lawa. I know this one.
She saw the video. She saw. Okay, one more. No Pakistani song.
Okay.
Dil Pakistan.
Dil Pakistan.
Jan Pakistan.
Jan Pakistan.
Okay, this is good. Now, what's the Malaysian song, national song?
Oh, national song.
Any song like Malaysian?
Oh, Negaraku. Negaraku is national song. Any what? When we have ceremony for government or what school also, we sing the song Negaraku, tanah tumpahnya darahku. This song.
Very good, very nice. Okay, we are going to make this interview short. Okay, any message for Pakistani people?
Any message for Pakistani people?
Because you are here.
Okay. I think
like any good word for Pakistani people?
yeah, I like the Pakistan people. Okay, they're very good to me. Also very kind. When we coming here, all family from here take care of us, you know. So
How many cities you visit?
Oh, so far I'm going to Islamabad, Lahore, Sialkot. Then before this I'm going Mari, Narangkaran also.
You also visit
Kartarpur.
Kakata border. Yeah.
You like Kartarpur building?
Yeah.
The white building, yes.
Very beautiful. Then very big.
So what you wanna say to the world about Pakistan? Is Pakistan good for visit?
Okay, I hope any country from outside, please come into Pakistan. Pakistan very peaceful. Food also good. And man also handsome.
And what about the Malaysian girls, boys? They handsome as well?
Oh, of course handsome like me.
She said they are very handsome like me. लेकिन मेरी वंगर वो भी बड़े खूबसूरत है कि नहीं. ये थी हमारी जो मलेशिया से आई हुई गेस्ट है. उन्होंने बड़ी दिलचस्प बातें की हैं. उम्मीद करते हैं आपको ये इंटरव्यू अच्छा लगा होगा और उनसे इजाज़त दीजिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.